When you are building a house, you should build a house which is standard. When I talk of standard, means you should stand in that house upright. Once you bend, that house is not standard. And you make sure that the house is having enough light such that these birds also enjoy the place. They don't get stressed and should be having those what we call aeration, such that air comes in and gets out. Yes, that's why we have the other side. There is wire mesh, and this side, such that air enters and gets out.
So Miss Molly is going to give us a quick tour of her structure and how she managed to improvise on this structure, and now she's maximizing on the profit.
This small structure, we have this and this one. Use them as my sick base. Once I get any bird which is sick, I bring it here.
Okay.
And sometimes when customers buy chicks and I remain with some few, I keep it from here. Yeah.
But someone who is renting
can construct
can they have something like this?
Yes, so long as you will keep the place clean. This one is, you use very few materials. This is timber, nails and poles. Wow. Only that.
And this one can accommodate like how many of them?
20 birds.
There's no more excuses. See, something as small as this is accommodating 10. So that means you can have one rooster in there, and you can have hens.
Yes.
You can have 9 hens in there, and they start laying eggs. And wow, interesting. So Miss Molly, can you briefly tell us something about the structure? How did you cut on the costs when it came to your structure?
As you are seeing it here, this is a tarpaulin. I use this tarpaulin to prevent water from entering in my poultry house.
Okay.
Once it rains, I put it down. Okay. When there is no rain, I put it up. Okay. Yes, such that I get enough light in the poultry house. This one I used to construct it with the local materials and the old ones. Yes.
Not the expensive
one. Yes, this iron sheet is old. I bought it at a low price. And instead of using the bricks, cement, sand and so on, I decided to use these iron sheets. They even cut on the labor. Instead of spending like 2 days constructing using the bricks and so on, we just put the iron sheets.
This looks like it was a garage.
Yes.
Am I right? Or?
It was a garage at first, but we expanded it just very little. Yeah, the place was very, very small. Then we decided to add some portions.
Some of you have your garages without a car. So as you wait to buy a car, as you wait until when you buy a car, please turn it into a poultry structure so that the hens will bring you the money to buy the cars, right? How many times do you have to clean the structure?
Once I see that the place is dirty, I clean it. I don't wait for a month, I don't wait for a week. Also during rain season, you can even clean it like twice in a week because the droppings become wet during rain season. Yeah.
How many coops did you live in?
There are 9 coops and 90 hens. When you lock chicken, we make sure that you balance. 10 hens are served by 1 coop. So now, this one, we made it, it is 2 in 1.
You see.
Up, they are chicks, even down, we keep chicks. Yeah. So, as you know, people who are living in the urban areas who have to improvise. True. Instead of looking for a place you don't have, you just use the one you have, however small it is. Yes. So we keep birds down and up.
Wow.
And the materials we used is almost the same, apart from the timbers we used to separate.
Okay.
Yes, but the iron sheets, they are the ones you can use on flat and the ones which are not flat.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are we going to have a quick tour of your place? Oh, is this your biosecurity?
Yes, this is my
I was wondering where am I going to dip my shoes?
Yes, so we use these shoes to move in the poultry house in order to prevent diseases. This is timber. We use it to separate our building. Okay. Yes.
Now, and this doesn't look so expensive.
It is not so expensive.
What is the most expensive material that you used in here?
Just only this timber, I think, because these are poles, eucalyptus poles. Yes. Even that wire mesh is at a cheap price. You just buy a roll. Yes, you buy a roll and you construct the house. This floor should be having this concrete. We call it a chipande. Why do we put this chipande? We put it there, this chipande, to prevent the spread of diseases. Once you do not put this and your birds will keep it to the near floor without concrete, germs will enter
From the soil.
will enter in the soil, and once you sweep, you will not be controlling those germs.
I see.
So we put this concrete such that you get it, you find it easy to sweep and
Wow.
get clean quickly.
Interesting. Interesting.
Now
Okay.
this is at first our building was stopping here. Our garage. This was our garage. I
from
have
there
a
up to here.
Yes, up
Okay.
here. Up to here. Yeah, we had
Oh,
doors.
yeah,
up
yeah.
Here. Yes. But I said I put this portion in order to get a store for keeping my church and so on. Then we
Provisional.
expanded a bit, and now we are near at least big. Yeah, let's.
So
move
this
up.
one you separated it for.
We had the cocks. After separating hens from cocks at 2 months, we put the cocks there, then the hens up.
Okay. Are the cocks still there?
No, we sold off at 4 months.
At 4 months.
Yes.
Oh
Now I'm
my
brooding
God.
some birds for Christmas.
I told you this one is a true businesswoman.
I'm brooding some birds for Christmas. You can have a tour.
Okay.
Actually,
How old are they?
they are 3 weeks.
Woo! 3 weeks. Yo, they're very healthy.
These are our local birds. The cocks are there and the hens. This is our parent stock. They lay and we hatch.
They have been laying since when?
They started in April, 25th April. I remember that I was so excited to see the first egg on
How
the
many
farm.
did you pick that day?
I picked one, but they were 4.5 months.
Wow.
That's why I was so
And
excited.
people say that the local ones start at 6 to lay
No,
eggs.
it depends. Maybe it depends on the way you feed them. But here, if you feed your birds very well, we expect those birds start giving you the eggs at 4.5 months.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
at 4.5 months you start collecting eggs.
When do you expect to sell off this batch?
I don't have it in my plans because I'm still picking the eggs. These local birds, they can last for 5 years in production.
Okay, okay.
Once you feed them well, they give you eggs every time. Yeah.
Do you feed them at night as well?
At night, no. We feed them during daytime. At night, we remove even the jelly cans for water, and they rest such that they make the egg for tomorrow.
And I can see most of your feeders and drinkers are improvised too. You don't have these fancy ones.
Yes, they rest for so long instead of using these timber ones.
Yeah.
Every time we'll be buying even the jelly cans. Those ones
I
are
love
cheap, and the capacity of water which is there can be able to take the whole day.
So the other side, it's
I
empty.
had some birds, but I sold them off. Now I'm planning to put some other.
Do you sell them off at once or you?
I sell them off at once. Why? I want to get some good money. If you sell one by one, you
don't-
end up not making. Yeah.
I see.
From here every day I collect 2.5
Trays.
trays.
Guys, if you have any more questions about whatever you're saying in this video, just leave your questions in the comment section below.